Convert HTTP requests to SOCKS5. I'm currently doing some testing work with Tor and ran into a small problem. Tor's client only supports receiving connections through a SOCKS5 protocol, but the applications I'm using only support HTTP proxy protocols. Is it possible to put something in the middle? So that, for example, it went my program, HTTP only, and GT, HTTP to SOCKS converter and GT, Tor SOCKS5 server.
It looks like Delegate can do this, with something like the following, where Delegate will accept HTTP connections on port 8080 and forward to a SOCKS server on port 9050.
You can also use proxy. Add this line to its config.txt file. Don't forget the small dot at the end. Then use the HTTP or HTTPS proxy at 127.0.0.1 column 8118.
HTTP proxy to SOCKS5. Install Python proxy. Usage. Tor bundle no longer has Palipo. Here is from the official Tor FAQ. In the past, Tor bundles included an HTTP proxy like proxy or Palipo, solely to work around a bug in Firefox that was finally fixed in Firefox 6. Now you don't need a separate HTTP proxy to use Tor, and in fact leaving it out makes you safer because Tor button has better control over Firefox's interaction with websites. If you are trying to use some external application with Tor, step 0 should be to reread the set of warnings for ways you can screw up. Step 1 should be to try to use a SOCKS proxy rather than an HTTP proxy. Tor runs a SOCKS proxy on port 9050 on Windows, or see above for OS X and Linux. If that fails, feel free to install proxy. However, please realize that this approach is not recommended for novice users. Proxy has an example configuration of Tor in proxy.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.